gonna be our Harley.
Does she know that?
Our Harley.
That f***ing Ram 1500 looking delicious.
It's the humidity.
It's the humidity.
You're about to high-five me.
High-five
You're
him.
like, oh, you're in the way. Hell yeah, brother.
Did you give this guy money yet, or are we just
No,
going
we
to Man, f that place.
What?
Yeah. Buc-ee's.
What did that zebra do to you?
I said it. This is too f***ing crowded, man. Let's go to a regular gas station.
They got really good gas prices.
I'd rather pay more to not have to wait in line.
You don't have to wait in line. There's like 50, it's like 100.
Well, last...
3 weeks later.
So peaceful out here. These Buc-ee's. We're here at Buc-ee's in Daytona. As usual, every gas pump is full.
As usual, every gas pump is full.
You don't have to wait in line. There's like 50, it's like 100.
Well, the last 2 times I've gone, there's been a line to get into the place, and then you gotta like sift through all the bullshit.
First world problems.
I'm not complaining. I just go to a different gas station and spend more money. First world problems that bitch. What up, Blockhead? In today's episode, Anna's getting a new bike.
Yay! No, I'm not getting rid of the Harley Sportster, the red one. Do not ask me.
So Anna is getting a new bike. No, we're not going to show you what it is until we get there. They're going to be driving. They've got a truck and trailer all set up outside right here. That f***ing Ram 1500 looking delicious. We got Eric, Wes.
Tell me about my real name.
Your Instagram given name. Lil Pickle. So this is going to be funny because we're going to roll up to this dude's house and it's going to be like them, truck, trailer, but then like 3 motorcycles behind. On Pawn Stars, they have those like, oh, I don't know much about this, but I'm going to have my friend who's an expert show up and check it out.
I have a friend that's a handwriting expert. He's one of the most respected people in this field. Hang out a few minutes. I'm going to go give him a call and we'll get this figured out.
Very particular thing about history.
I'm not an expert. Eric is, but we're going to be there to make sure that the guy's being honest and she's not getting swindled. Or else. Yeah. I hope he's hungry because I'm going to give him a knuckle sandwich.
Show me the pictures, dude.
All right, cool. Let's get on the road. Water spots? Nah. Walk away. Can't buy this thing. Ooh, it's stock Harley exhaust sound.
There's nothing better in my opinion.
Delicious. Nothing like a brand new sewing machine. It looks brand new. 1136.
You want to race?
Good, because I'd win. Stock bike.
You'll beat everybody.
That's true.
Cruising at 90. Block pulls back and Westside goes, you having problems? All of a sudden, boom, he blows past us. I'm like, damn, dude.
I was like, oh, he's way back there. I looked forward. Literally 1 second later, he flew by. I was like,
How? E85, that's how. Helmet works. I just had to do a helmet check beforehand. Yeah.
There she goes.
Well, for those of you that don't know, Aaron's selling his Sportster to contribute to this. Oh, you're selling your Harley for your wife. Love right there.
Yeah. Well, this is gonna be our Harley.
Does she know that?
Our Harley.
I don't think she knows that though, does she? Your eyes are smiling.
Hell yeah, brother.
You gotta say it with more gruff than that. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother. I love it.
Yeah. And drop the tailgate. Let's go.
I was doing like 70 on 4th gear.
You've got to get acclimated from the Grom life, the Sportster life, 5th gear, like just whining, screaming.
Yeah, I was just on the turnpike yesterday, and I was doing like 75, you know, in 5th, and it's just, I mean, you can do it, it's fine, but
Yeah, this is definitely more suited, made for highway. Honestly, I don't see anything that I would be able to even say like, hey, can you help me out on this because blah blah blah.
And it's already like.
And he put a dealer tag on it. He gave us water. I mean, he's like, this is probably the best shopping experience.
Yeah. If somebody gives you water, you're not allowed to haggle, apparently, according to Aaron.
Blockhead won't give you any water. We've been there, done that.
And we ain't haggling either. Firm. Price is firm. You know what? No, there's no water, but there's beer. You're
It's like,
welcome.
It's so hot. You got any water?
Nope. Here's beer.
No, this 7.2 IPA will work though.
Yeah. No, don't get hydrated, get drunk.
To the clown!
No, your hair looks stupid.
Yep.
She ain't going nowhere.
There we go. There we go. Atta boy. It's not the heat that gets you.
It's the humidity!
It's the humidity.
It's the humidity.
It's true though. Like, humidity works both ways. It's not only the heat, it's cold. Yeah. But 40 degrees in Florida feels much different than 40
Yeah.
degrees in Michigan.
All right, FLMM, what was that, like 2019? Where
Yeah.
we were like dying outside?
Just gonna triggering all northerners with this segment.
Oh, yeah.
Did you give this guy money yet, or are we just
No.
gonna
No,
dip?
right.
And we out. Oh, he's so scary. So the last time we saw this bike, not even purchased yet, we basically were like, oh yeah, that's a good one. So Captain Anna bought it. Didn't even haggle because there's like nothing wrong with it at all. It's brand new. 2 weeks later, here she is. She's bringing it by a Blockhead garage. And what did you ask? Like you were asking if
Make it louder, I can't hear it.
Yeah.
Yep.
I hate this sewing machine sound. So she was asking if I had you were asking about the Bassani sweepers.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh yeah, I've still got my old ones. And she was like, what do you want for them? And I'm like, a steak dinner.
Dinner. And I said, okay.
So I made a reservation at Ruth's Chris. It's gonna be bomb. Yeah, I didn't specify which steak. No, I'm cool with that back. I'm a cheap date. I'm totally a cheap date. I'm cool with it.
Baby back ribs.
No, that was Chili's.
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 Oh, that's Chili's. I want my
Got
baby
it
back,
wrong.
baby back, baby back.
Chili's.
Baby back ribs.
See, that's how the marketing worked.
I've been doing this thing where I just like hand the camera over and I'm like, here you go, your episode now. Do you want to tell the viewers what's happening?
Sure. So today we are at the shop with my brand new motorcycle and we are putting a new exhaust on it. We are gonna do the you're in the way.
It's like, I'm not in the way, I am the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
Actually, the
And-
first mod that she did to it was air. You want to tell them about that?
No.
Did you modify the tire pressure?
Accidentally, I did not check the tire pressure. I forgot the tires were very low when I did. So
How low were they, Anna?
How low did you go?
don't worry about it. It was unsafe. I made a mistake. Do
Real
not do
bad.
what I did.
It's President Papa Bede.
Just a blanket statement.
It's
Where was
unsafe.
I? Unsafe. Unsafe.
That's
Just
all-
out there.
That's all the internet needs to know about my shenanigans. Anyway, we're putting new exhaust on it, and it's the Bassani sweepers. Bow, bow, bow. And these are the exact same ones I have on my Sportster. So they will be matchy-matchy now.
So for all of you that have been asking about our exhaust, you know, we recently announced that we're coming out with a Blockhead exhaust. One of the finish options that people want is black. So if you notice, most companies that do black exhausts, they're actually covers, right? So this entire thing is like a cover and heat shield. Underneath, the exhaust is black as well. The finish, it doesn't hold up well. And so what I've heard, you know, with black exhaust is that if we did decide to do it, we would basically be like, we'd have to keep up with customer support a lot because people would be calling to complain. So I don't know if black exhaust is something that we would necessarily do, or if we did, it'd come with like a hell of a disclaimer. Like,
That was the first question I got, was like, you don't want to put our exhaust on it? Which is a fair question. I get it. It's fair enough.
we don't have any extras. They're literally
Flip the
prototypes.
camera around and tell them what the answer is.
But I do want to put a black exhaust on my bike.
So the answer is no.
So the answer is no.
What are you gonna do with this stock exhaust hanging up on your wall?
No, she's gonna leave it here to add it to our pile of in the corner.
We need to make like a Game of Thrones chair with all the exhausts that we have.
Oh, yeah.
We've even gone through and like thrown a ton of them away. Look okay?
It looks alright.
We got Zuko nose on here now. We gotta
Oh yeah, man, that's like that,
take that off of there.
you know, hog spit? That's Zuko spit.
I mean, it is used with scratches, so I don't really know why I'm bothering to do this. It's the thought that counts.
Oh, you got a part off of Goldzilla. Shut it up. Shut it up. They do sound good.
That's normal, right?
Oh no, it's not supposed to be smoking. With the fire extinguisher. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Oh no, why is it smoking out the front side too? Alright, well, take her for a rip real quick.
Yeah, okay.
Make sure she runs okay.
If I have to.
Zuko, you gonna jump out?
What do you think?
You gonna jump on the back?
Standing at
Little passenger? You gonna be a little backpack?
Oh my god, it's so nice.
A little different than your Sportster, right?
Yeah. Like, I already love how it sounds on my Sportster, but it's like the evolution now, you know?
Congrats.
Thanks.
Happy for you.
Thank you.
Congrats, Chris.
Finally going to...
Happy for you too. Justin, congratulations.
happy for me too.
Glad I got to hear the Bassani sweepers again, you know, before they leave.
Nostalgia.
And that it's going to Captain Anna. Because,
What is this?
it's very nostalgic. That's farts.
Fart stain.
Farts, bro. I put plenty of farts in it, so it's up to her to take over now and continue the legacy.
Continue farting on it.
Right? Alright, well, this is definitely a whatever episode, but hope you guys enjoyed it. So next up, Sissy Bar for Captain Anna. If you guys want to continue to be updated on everything she does to the bike, go give her a follow at Captain Anna. Also, go follow Chris and let him know how cool he is at Sick Wide Glide. Just comment snowmans and, you know, little snow icons. What is it, like snowflakes? Yeah.
You haven't said that in a while.
Haven't promoted that for a bit. Also, go to Justin James at RNJ Moto and comment like, I was gonna say like
Panda bears.
I don't know, what do you want people to comment on?
I don't know. Just a nice message like, hey man, how you doing? Like, hope life is good, you know, some positive reinforcement. You know, life is crazy nowadays, so anything positive y'all got for me.
Damn, bro, you got something you want to tell us?
They just said the positivity.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Be sure to go tell Captain Animal congratulations once again on her new Harley. She stepped up to the Softail. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell, all that good stuff. And until next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you on the next one. What is that?
What is that? You were about to high-five me.
High-five him?
Like, oh!
Trying to get you to close out the video, but like...